10 countryside foods that we gradually forgot. Number 10. Squash flower, the wild visual protector. It used to be picked in vegetable gardens for soups and stews. Its delicate yellow petals are loaded with lutein, an antioxidant that travels directly to the retina of your eyes to filter harmful light and prevent blindness. Number 9. Sago, the artisan starch, the intestinal healer. Grandmothers used it to make thick porridges. Its incredible secret is that it acts as a resistant starch. It is not digested in the stomach, but reaches the colon intact to feed your good bacteria and reduce inflammation throughout your belly. Number 8. Sun-dried meat, tasajo, the survival protein. Before refrigerators, meat was salted and dried in the wind. This process evaporates the water and massively concentrates amino acids, delivering a block of pure protein and essential electrolytes that recharge your muscles instantly. Number 7. Cacao in balls, the ancestral vasodilator. No tablet-filled bars, this pure cacao was ground by hand on farms. It is saturated with theobromine, a biological molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and pumping more oxygen to your brain. Number 6. Cane honey, molasses, the iron syrup. Before refined white sugar invaded kitchens, this was the countryside sweetener. Being unrefined, it preserves the pure minerals from the earth, injecting magnesium and iron directly into your bloodstream to fight fatigue. Number 5. Fresh farm cheese, the living probiotic. Made artisanally with natural rennet, this cheese does not go through ultra-industrial processes that kill everything. It is packed with beneficial lactic acid bacteria that colonize your intestine, improving your digestion and strengthening your defenses against infections. Number 4. Milk cream, the top layer, the cellular barrier. That thick layer that formed when boiling raw milk, which almost no one eats today. It is pure healthy fat that carries fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are absorbed by your body to build strong cell membranes and elastic skin. Number 3. Egg punch, the brain builder. The true energizing breakfast of the countryside, made by beating a raw egg with malt or milk. It delivers a bomb of albumin, highly absorbable protein, and choline, a nutrient that directly repairs the neural wiring of your brain. Number 2. Fresh milk, straight from milking, the living liquid. Unlike supermarket cartons, fresh milk preserves all its natural enzymes intact, including lactase. This means it comes with its own biological instruction manual, so your body can digest it perfectly without inflammation. Number 1. Lard, the resilient white gold. It was replaced by plastic vegetable oils, but science proved our grandparents right. It is extremely rich in vitamin D and oleic acid. Its greatest power is that it withstands extreme heat in the pan without oxidizing or releasing toxins, protecting your arteries. These are the most colorful fruits in the world, and the number 1 pick looks straight out of a fantasy world. Number 7. Dragon fruit. This exotic fruit looks like something from another planet. Its vibrant pink skin with green flame-like scales is just the beginning. Slice it open, and you'll find white or magenta flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. Packed with antioxidants, dragon fruit helps fight free radicals and keep your skin glowing. Number 6. Strawberry. This classic red fruit isn't just sweet. It's a vibrant burst of color. Its deep red hue comes from anthocyanins, natural pigments that also boost heart health. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps maintain healthy skin. Number 5. Raspberries. Bright red with a velvety texture, raspberries are like edible jewels. Their rich color isn't just for looks, it's a sign they're packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Raspberries are an excellent source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Number 4. Red banana. Yes, bananas can be red. These vibrant fruits have a reddish-purple peel and creamy pinkish flesh inside. They're sweeter and denser than regular bananas, with a slight raspberry-like taste. Red bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which supports brain health and improves mood. Number 3. Golden kiwi. This golden beauty has smooth bronze skin and bright yellow flesh that's sweeter than its green cousin. It's like eating sunshine in fruit form. Golden kiwis are packed with vitamin C, perfect for boosting immunity and improving skin health. Number 2. Pomegranate. Crack open a pomegranate and you'll reveal hundreds of ruby red seeds glistening like tiny jewels. These seeds aren't just pretty. They're packed with nutrients. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, which protect your heart and improve blood flow. Number 1. Purple mangosteen. This fruit's rich royal purple rind makes it a showstopper. Inside, its snow-white segments taste sweet and slightly tangy, a true tropical delicacy. Mangosteen is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and promote faster recovery.